Hello viewers, I just wanted to talk about couple things that I've been doing and it has been working great for me. Having kids going to first grade and kindergarten to keep things organized for them for easy access. So one of the things that works best for me is to have a home for their papers when they come back from school, or for homework or anything they bring in from their school. They need to put into their own cubby for Aiza and Aisha, and so they put it in there, and that way when I come back home from work I look into it and I separate everything and I know what's the homework, what they got back from school, etc. I have this bulletin board here. I have their schedules, like for Aisha, her library is Friday, so we have to return her books. Aiza has her music, PE, all that good stuff as well. Some words to memorize and work on. I do have these hooks here for them to hang their jackets, their coats, their hoodies, or their scarves here. This is a belt hanger which I'm using to hang their scarves. So just bought it at Dollar Tree if you're looking for one. I also have this over the door hanger because we have one room that we share with, to discuss everything. So I will, and then sorry, the voices behind me is Aisha trying to make some funny noises. But I have these hooks here for their backpacks. They know they have, after emptying their backpacks here in these cubbies, they have to hang them here because I do not want them on the floor. And sure enough, if you do not have a home for all these things, they will end up on a floor in a big pile. So I don't know, this is something that works great for me. I am so happy that finally I came up with something that really helps me. They come into our room here, and this is right, and that's the entrance door to my room, and this is right when they enter, so they can unload everything here and then go further after that. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to share or discuss. I will come up with some more ideas how to organize, and for until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.